Morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing okay. Today is October the 5th. If you are living in Jamaica, then you know what October the 5th represents. Yes. And on we'll Today is the start of our new norm schooling, which is online school, and I know a lot of parents out there are struggling and they really don't know how to work with this new norm. But I'm here to tell you that it is a new norm for both parents and students and teachers as well, and we have to all get ourselves organized and prepared, ready in order to take on God, my oars. So I miss a oars. In order to take on this new norm living. So, people, this is the teacher version of me. If you are new over here on the channel, make sure to subscribe. Give a big thumbs up for the effort. Hey, and leave a comment down in the description box. So, today I am ready. I'm dressed in, can't even carry on because the bed kind of messy and the ground, some stuff up on the ground. So I was going to show you guys like a OOTD, but I'll show you guys later on in the video. So I'm dressed in jeans right now and a regular work top, and I went ahead this morning and do a little curl up. So this is me transforming from a Negro to a coolie Indian. Oh my god, how did I do? Yes, so right now I am heading out to my mother's school because I need some good internet and I want to make a video. At my school, we are not really going there as teachers, but out of my mother's school, teachers are out there doing what they have to. So I'm just gonna tag along, try to make a video in a classroom there to get my students all ready for the rest of this semester. And yes, so what I'm doing really is to get my students to have that feeling of being in the classroom, and this is why I'm trying to put all the effort to go out there and use the class where, you know, it's just organized in a way that you can really tell that it's a school time, school setting and all of that. So yes, I'm trying to be I'm trying to do as best as I can, to the best of my ability. I'm not a perfect person, please don't judge me. I am new to this career. It's been a while since, no, what am I saying? No, it's really been a whole process for me to, you know, to fall here in this permanent position of being a teacher. Not saying that, you know, I'm not prepared, but it's just like a new thing for me to take on. You know, you have to fit in, you have to make sure, you have to just always make sure that whatever you're saying is the right thing. You don't want to make mistakes because then you're going to be attached to the whole thing of you are a teacher and all of that, and I really don't want to be attached to that. I just want people to look at me as a normal person, and if I say something and you need to correct me, don't be afraid to leave that comment down in the description box. I'm not a perfect person, I'm really not an English person, but I try my best to do as best as I can to carry out my job. So I'm gonna head out there right now, and I'm just gonna grab my bag right here, and I'm just gonna head out. As I said, I already dropped off my mom this morning out there, and I'm just gonna meet up with her. So when I get out there, I'll let you guys know and I'll tune in. And yeah, guys, I'm trying to get myself a tripod, a self-made tripod right here, and I'm trying to set up a chair and a desk. I'm currently out of the school, and It is a struggle for me. I do not have a tripod here with me, so I have to try and make one that is high enough to feature me and this background right here. So that is what's happening right here. So I put the chair on top of a desk and set in some books right here to set the forward. So it is a struggle, but oh well. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I am Miss Caballero, one of the teachers who will be working with you. I am just hoping that everybody is ready for this semester. It might be one of not the easiest semester that you are used to, but as long as we all work together, we will all make it through this year. Not only the semester, but the entire year 2020 to 2021.
People, good morning. Listen, this weather is not a normal weather. This weather can wash out, flood out. If you have nowhere to leave, make sure you stuff it up, because if your house wet now, you shall be very, very cold. No, sir. Supposed to hear the rain out the door. Supposed to see the old place. Oh my God. Why? I family birthday, so people are not doing good morning. My face and watch not for me yet. So if I'm not smell no more, sorry about that. Yeah, but not happen for me. Not happen for me. It's just like after 6. So that's the weather outside though. This online school with this weather, I don't make sure I the internet at work, because but I don't know what to go and do. But yesterday I read something where they said JPS now have no plans, students. Flown, I'm no plan for students. They're not prepared, they're not ready. They just cut off the light, cut off the internet whenever they feel like. Right now, I did sell got the plug. It's only because they're expensive. Anyways, may I go back on my bed, go lie down. Wanna get me? Yeah.
Yes, tell her now.
Mommy just said that it was farm out, but it starts from the like more rain or what thing there. We're not sure if it's a storm, but it probably just weather filling for the storm, because there was a storm watch and all that. But we can't see nothing. It was so white. People. This weather is a weather that calm for your bed. So I'm a bed man right now. I go back right in my bed. Right in my bed. Right in my bed.
So this is reality, people. Hello, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? If you're new, make sure to subscribe. If you're always watching, hi, what's up? Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and share this video with everybody want to know. So yes, the reality is I'm in the kitchen with a bonnet and my night clothes. I'm sleeping last night, and right now I'm preparing myself for online class. So right now I have one piece of paper down there. So well, my book, I have a pen in my hand right here because I'm researching some brain teaser to send to the class. So this is the reality of online school, people. I don't have to dress up, I don't have to do nothing. Yesterday I was just kind of, prepping myself, being a more professional so the students could hear my voice for the first time. So that's why I'm dressed up and go to middle school. But today is a whole different story. So guys, I'm no longer in a bonnet. I'm no longer in my night clothing. I am currently taking the register for students. I am currently sitting down participating in my class, and I just made a video for my students, just to give them that feeling of not being alone, like, at them alone, wake up and whatever. I want them to know that I am up, I am sitting down, I am dressed partially for work. And yeah, so I might include that little video somewhere here, somewhere there, somewhere in the video. Good morning, boys and girls. Are you awake? I hope you're not sleeping, and I hope at this point mommy or daddy isn't the one who is listening to this video, I hope the students are up and ready to have a great day, a day full of learning, and a day full of a little more. I'm just hoping that everybody participate and it's a good day. So I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, I just gave my students a brain teaser though, so if you guys want to work on it, you guys can work on it as well, because this is the life that I'm living and I'm incorporating my YouTube family. So you guys can give the answer to this. So I just gave them a brain teaser. 2 girls were born to the same mother on the same day, at the same time, in the same year. However, they are not twins. How can this be? I don't want to bright, want to tell me the answer. Comment down below and let me know the answer, okay? It is lunchtime. I'm about to have some cornflakes, have some cereal, and yes, I love that I like to go something, you see? It just spruce up, so I'm gonna get some cereal, people.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be
Yummy. So I'll go back around the living room for tuning into the class. Well, if I did not watch me. So, well, not really tuning, just to make sure if anybody understand them can text me and all of that. Yeah, I'm open the veranda door. Get a little more light in the place. Much better. Okay, can somebody tell me what is happening? What is really happening? The entire place I went up. Oh my God, what is really happening? Oh Lord, this can be swap. Right to the over money this year. Boy, no sir. The place I wash where? Almighty God. Yo, is this a storm? Really a storm? I'm not sure. Oh my God. Yo, could have yo. I saw mommy looking at something this morning about storm and whatever and saying now come here, but people, the whole place blow. Well, the trees them up from my yard now blow, but the trees them down at bottom down this blow. Place wet, brother. Wet. Woo! Cool time. I miss the Wi-Fi really broke down. So guys, a little update from my day. So right now it's somewhere around 2-1. Yes, it's somewhere around 20 to 1, 22 to 1, somewhere about, and currently I'm in the process of marking some work. People do not like this aspect, because you see, normally when you're marking your books, you normally have to, like, you have the book in front and you can mark it and whatever, but this is what I have to do. I have to, like, just to not lose track of what I'm doing, I mark them on the paper and then just like I mark, and I just mark them just to count in order to just make it easier for myself. Yeah, can I tell you, this is an entire learning process for everyone. Trust me, if you're going through this right now, then you understand what I'm talking about. So let's not complain because I'm home. I'm enough here stress myself, so yay. When you hear me, I hear every minute because I'm glad for them yard.